These programs aim to provide a forum for discussing the importance of the overall review of the accomplishments, critical challenges, and innovative solutions to improve the implementation of the FOI program. Beyond compliance, we will ensure engaging our citizens and achieve the goals of open, timely, and effective governance.
This is a perfect opportunity for us to bridge across the FOI program. And meron po yung banggit kanina na this can be a refresher naman po about the program. This will also be a good avenue for you po to refresh yourselves with the provisions of the Executive Order No. 80.
We will also tackle the new features of the electronic FOI portal, which serves as a vessel to empower citizens with new ways to participate in our democracy. Today's activity has been organized to discuss all these initiatives and issues to further the development and promotion of the program. Through this, we are able to face the challenges of open governance and engagement that are key in deepening our partnership with our co-implementers.
Hi, I'm Israel Reyes, FOI Receiving Officer ng Santa Maria Water District.
Hello po, ako po si Sarah Jane Santa Ana from Santa Maria Water District, Bulacan.
Bilang isang baguhan sa posisyon bilang Receiving Officer, marami akong natutunan dito sa bootcamp. Maraming bagay na naituro sila na magagamit ko para mas mapaganda ang serbisyo. Nakatulong ang bootcamp na ito para malaman ko ang mga bagay na makakatulong para makapagbigay ng magandang serbisyo bilang kawani ng gobyerno. Masaya ang bootcamp. Marami kang nakilala na kapwa mo Receiving Officer. Nakapagpalitan kayo ng mga practices na pwede mong itulong at pwede mong gawin pagbalik mo sa inyong ahensya.
Ang experience ko po dito sa FOI Bootcamp, unang-una po, first time namin siya, so nakakatuwa na meron ng specific bootcamp for local water districts. So nagkaroon po kami ng chance na makilala yung iba't ibang FRO na katulad naming local water districts. Enjoyable po siya, maraming icebreakers, so nakakapag-bonding po kami, and bukod doon may mga workshops din po na nakatulong sa amin para mas ma-familiarize po kami sa process ng FOI.